Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is India ban addictive opioids. Indian authorities have banned tapentadol and carisoprodol combinations, citing their high abuse potential and harmful impact. The ban follows an investigation which exposed illegal exports of these opioids to West African countries such as Ghana, Nigeria, and Côte d'Ivoire. India's Drugs Controller General issued a circular banning the manufacturing and export of these drugs with immediate effect. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA of India, raided Avio Pharmaceuticals' factory in Mumbai, seized its stock, and halted further production. Drishti IAS in Noida is offering an IAS GS Foundation, prelims plus mains, course in an offline batch. Admissions are open for the English and Hindi medium batch. For more details, contact 875018751. Now let's discuss about reasons for the ban. Tapentadol is a powerful opioid, while carisoprodol is a muscle relaxant banned in Europe due to its addictive nature. This combination is not approved anywhere in the world, as it can cause breathing difficulties, seizures, and fatal overdoses. Withdrawal symptoms from carisoprodol include anxiety, insomnia, and hallucinations. Despite the dangers, these drugs are cheap and widely available on the streets of West Africa, fueling a public health crisis. Now moving on to impacts, the ban prevents India from being a source of illicit opioids, protecting its global reputation. Indian FDA to conduct further inspections to stop illegal supply chains, strengthens India's stance on pharmaceutical regulations, and prevents misuse of export policy. West African countries may need stricter enforcement to curb local drug trafficking networks, sets a precedent for stricter global regulations on pharmaceutical exports to prevent drug abuse crises. Now is the time for practice question. Which country has the largest market for these banned opioids in West Africa? Option A, Ghana. Option B, Nigeria. Option C, Côte d'Ivoire. Or option D, Senegal. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.